much funnier on my mom and dad. So I'm about to get this set up. I'm about to set up the camera. I don't even know where to set it up at. Gosh. So this is how our camera looks. I mean, our kitchen looks. So I don't know where I should set the camera, you guys. I might set it behind this right here. Yeah, that might work. Okay, let me see. Set the camera. Set it up. I think I hear my dad. Oh man, I gotta hurry up. I'm about to get the blood and stuff. I'm about to make it seem like I cut my hand under the in the thing, the garbage disposal. So hold on. Okay, I did it. It doesn't look that good, but I'm gonna put the blood on it. It's really gonna look good. So let me make sure you guys can see everything. Okay, let's get this prank started.
Calm down. Aniah, did you touch your hair for real? It's a bull. It's a prank. This girl, man. I did it. I did it. It's a prank. I didn't think I could get you guys, but I did it. It looks real. It looks real for real. It did look real. I did it, you guys. I did it. Let's go see how they feel. Nah, that ain't fun. How do you feel about the prank?
That's alright. You gonna get paid back. You believe that? You ain't gonna see it coming either.
Girl who cried wolf. No. That's so funny. Anyways, You guys want to see more pranks like that? Let me know. Because I really got them. I really did get them. Look at the sink. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, you guys want to see more pranks? Let me know and I'll do them. And I think I'm going to do the same prank on Cameron or something a little bit more dramatic when he get out of school today. But I'm gonna let you guys know. But if you want to see more, make sure you comment below, like the picture, like this, and subscribe for more content. And we love you guys, and we'll see you guys soon.